What's going on, guys? I have had something like reoccurringly coming to my mind. I don't know if you guys ever get that to where this, something somebody said, just keeps on appearing within your consciousness, that within your thought process throughout, months, years, whatever. For the past few months, something that a pastor from Harvest Church, Greg Laurie, said has been coming to my mind. I watch a lot of his stuff online. I think he's a great pastor. If you guys haven't checked him out, go check him out. But after this video, but he was talking about these Chinese Christians that are imprisoned because of their belief, and obviously within the Chinese prisons, they can't have any type of Bible. So what these Chinese Christians will do is that they'll go through and memorize huge sections of the Bible, chapters, books of the Bible, and then write them down in prison and share them with other inmates. And other inmates will memorize their portion of the Bible, a different portion of the Bible, and then share it among them. That way they can still study within Scripture. And it's really convicting for me as, a sheltered Christian here in the United States that really doesn't have to worry about that. But I remember as a kid doing memory verses as part of Sunday school. And I feel like that's something we don't do enough of here in America. So what I want to challenge myself to do and challenge you guys to do as we move forward is to take big chunks of Scripture, pivotal chapters, John 3, Romans 8, Romans 9, Romans 10, a lot of Romans, Thessalonians 4, Psalm 23, these huge chunks of Scripture, and memorize them. We're going to start out with John 3 today, and then we're also going to do a Psalm later on in the week. But we're going to look at these within context and then write them down, repeat them every day, or read them every day to commit them to memory. But here goes. Here's John 3, 1. We'll start out with 1. Next week we'll do 2 until we get the entire chapter done. John 3, 1 says, and this is the ESV, follow along on your own translation. I just happen to have an ESV in front of me, and it's my preferred study Bible. John 3, 1 says, now there was a man of the Pharisees named Nicodemus, a ruler of the Jews. So whatever you got to do, write it, read it every day, repeat it every day. Let's go and memorize this verse. Next week we'll come back with John 3, 2, and we'll go from there. May God keep you and bless you.